Today at Mullin Machinery, we have a closing Ibarmia model B-45 gear head drill press, Morse taper number 4 spindle, 1.77 inch capacity drilling in steel, 1.33 inch maximum tapping capacity in steel, 7.87 inch of travel of the Quill, 3 horsepower main motor. It has quite a few speeds: 73, 103, 149, 232, 325, 472, 695, 976, and 1415 RPM. And it feeds 10, 20, 30, and 40 millimeters per revolution. 3 horsepower main motor, 230, 460 RPM. Table's in A shape, no drill marks in it. It has 3 large T-slots. It has a coolant pump. All original paint. They're beautiful machines. They came out of a community college. I have 2 identical machines, consecutive serial numbered. These machines are for drilling and tapping. I will show you how both functions work. We run them through all the speeds just to make sure they're all working fine. Right now we're at 325 RPM. So to feed, you just hit the button on the handle, and any one of the handles and it will feed. So you hit your stop. You hit the button, it releases. Stop it, we put it in tapping. And then you set the thread depth. You loosen the little knurl ring. You can spin the depth stop down, which you can use the depth stop for drilling and tapping, but for tapping it's especially important. We'll set it short so we don't have to go far. Now tapping, because every thread is a different pitch, you feed it by hand, but when you hit the stop, it will reverse. So you go on, feed it down, hit the stop, stops, automatic reverses, comes up, hits the stop, reverses back. So that's your tapping function. Let me raise the stop back up. It's only in 325 RPM there. We'll run it up high or we'll run it down low for you. So low would be the green range. So you lift up, turn the handle, and then rock the chuck. So we're in the green range, and now let's go to the lowest speed. 73. Now we go to the highest range, which is 14, 15 in the red range. So red range, okay, let's get it out of this. Go up high. Let's see. Okay, so it's the middle one. This is the high range. The light works. The coolant pump works, but we don't have any coolant in it at the moment. Here's your chuck key that has a Jacob Super Chuck, 1/8 to 5/8 capacity, Morse taper. You knock it out with the hole in the side of the Quill. Like I said, we have 2 identical machines available. We're cleaning the other machine at the moment, but just wanted to get this one up on the website right away. You see all original paint. In the college, I don't know why they would order a drill this large. I don't see how they have anything this big to drill, but it's probably why they get rid of it. You can check this out on our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs.